So both of our trucks are running. Hello all, I am Kaustub from India. Today I am going to walk you through my layout. So this is my layout, 76-inch long and 48-inch in width. You can see three ovals on my layout. The outer one is 22-inch in radius. The extreme inner one is 18-inch in radius. For outer and inner tracks, I'm using Atlas Code 100 tracks, HO scale. For the middle one, I'm using Lionel tracks, 20-inch radius, all HO scale. We have a siding as well over here where I will place my engine shed, and I can demonstrate some shunting activities also. The thing I would like to mention over here is this middle track is not on the same level of these two. This will be elevated. So I have created some pillars and I will demonstrate how to use them in another video. I am using 4 frog switches over here as a scissor crossing, and one more switch or frog for this siding. This one will be controlled using one switch over here, and all these fours will be controlled with other switch. I am using DCC EX system to control all the trains. Right now in this video, I am not going to demonstrate you this elevated metro. Instead of that, I am going to demonstrate you the vehicles. There is one company from Germany, Viessmann, who produces good vehicles, HO scale vehicles, running trucks like that, digital running trucks. So those trucks are very beautiful trucks. So we will have a run of those trucks from this middle one. I am sorry if I am not pronouncing the company name correctly. So please forgive me for that. So let us go to my foldable layout. Stay connected with me. Thank you. Hello all. So let me demonstrate my foldable model train layout over here. In my home, there is no space or there is no special room to make a permanent layout. So I have designed this type of foldable layout. Ignore this written. This is my daughter's uh, study material. Leave it. So I need to open this like that. So this I am planning for ropeway. So it is under construction now. Now I am having two ovals. The outer one is 22-inch radius oval and the inner one is 20-inch radius oval, like that. Over there I have a siding, okay, over there for shunting activities. Also here I have a scissor crossover. So in these cabins I have installed servo motors. Whole this setup is powered by 230 volts AC, and inside this, below this setup, I have installed multiple power supplies. I have isolated inductive loads. There is a special power supply for inductive loads like motors, magnets, everything. And there is a separate power supply for microcontrollers that I have used to drive this, to change this scissor crossing. I have seesaw over there. I have some swings over here. So I'm connecting this So I'm connecting now over here, turning it on. Just a second. Now you will see some movement over here that I have made. I have made this seesaw. Now what? Coming back to our road. I have made these pillars, and if you see over here, I have installed neosid magnets. Okay. Now when I need to assemble the overbridge, what I need to do is I need to just attach this to here. Also I have placed magnets. Okay, so I just need to attach like this. 1, 2, 3. So like that I will assemble all the pillars and I will come back to you. Okay. Hello all. So we are done with the assembly of the pillars. You can see all the pillars are assembled. Now one thing I need to tell you that whenever I want to remove this pillar, I need to be very careful. If I pull like this, the magnet will get broke. These pillars are made from foam boards. So you can see I have cut multiple pieces of foam board and pasted it together over here, making it a pillar. Now to remove this, what I need to do is I need to pull it in this way and then I need to remove it. If I pull like this, the magnet will get broke. Okay, let me connect once again. Now we are done with the pillar assembly. Now what we will do, we will place these tracks on this and we will check whether our elevated road is working or not. I will come back. Bye. Now I have made this road base with a 27 by 3 inch width, and I prepared one small grooves of 3 mm by 1 mm using acrylic sheet. And now this is the magnetic tape that I have received from the manufacturer of this system, and I will paste this into these grooves. So actually I am holding camera in one hand and I am trying to do that, but let me try if I can do that. So actually this is the yellow side, you need to put it down, and then the upper one will align with the magnet polarity installed into the vehicle. So I will paste it like that for whole this road. Half of this section will be on upward traffic and half will be the downward traffic. So I will show you the final outcome once I am done with it. I will do this for every section of my track. So now my roadbed is ready with the magnetic tape installed in it. Okay. So here you will see over here I have pasted that magnetic strip received from the manufacturer of this car system. New things. So I have made this roadbed to lay on my model trains. So this will be an elevated track, but right now for testing I have assembled it on the ground. Okay. So what I did is I have made this roadbed of foam board. Now we can disassemble it. If you can see from the top, it is a oval. This is a complete oval. Okay. Now when we want to disassemble it, just I need to do one thing. I need to disassemble like this. First, just a second. So it will get disassembled in 6 parts. Here as well. So now we have 6 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just wanted to let you know that cats are not model trains friendly. Their hairs get problematic for model trains. Go there. Okay. Now to demonstrate this, if you can see, every time I need to run my trucks over here, I need to do a vacuum cleaning of that, because my cat's hair get over here, so that is a problem. But see here, if you can see this little line, I am not sure whether you are able to see it or not. Let me turn on light, just a minute. So as I demonstrated in my earlier video, the magnetic tape over here I have pasted below this surface, here as well and here as well. And now I have these joints. I don't know what to say for this, but this get inserted in this, and whole of my track get assembled. So hello all. So our overhead road is ready to drive our trucks. Now before I run my trucks, I need to clean it with the vacuum cleaner, because my cat's hair gets stuck in truck's axles. I will come back. Hello all, I'm back. So here we have our truck from this Viessmann company. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but these are very beautiful vehicles. Let me take out of my track. So this is upward traffic and this is downward traffic. Okay. I will place one more truck and I will come back. Hello. So our trucks are ready for running. But one thing I would like to show you, that I have kept these barriers for all our oval, because if truck misses this magnetic tape, it will lose control and it may fall down from this track. These trucks are very costly, and here in India, when we procure it, we need to pay huge customs duties to import this. So I need to be very careful for that. So I have made these barriers. These barriers are not with the scale, but I kept 3 mm height from the road surface. Now our track is ready. I have done the cleaning. Here we have one truck, here we have one truck. Now we will start. Okay. Every truck comes with this magnetic pin. So here we have a strong magnet, and I'm not sure what technology that they use, but when I just place this magnet over here, the truck will start. Let me start the other one over here. Just a second, let me stop this. Oops, I missed that. I'm not sure how to place this. Anyway, I will leave it as it is. So both of our trucks are running. Now I will show you one locomotive as well. I will show you one locomotive running on these tracks as well. I will come back. Here we have our WDP4 Indian locomotive. I have purchased this from one of my friend, and on my mobile I am having this engine driver app. So I need to turn on my Wi-Fi and I need to connect to my Wi-Fi where my DCCEX is installed. Okay. Now this is the IP address. I have connected with Wi-Fi and I am powering it up. You can see over there my crossovers are also there. I have installed sensors over here. So once the locomotive crosses this gates will get closed. I will turn off the sound of the locomotive. Now let me show you this crossover working. I am switching it to crossover now. This locomotive is having a good length, so it little bit struggles on the inner track. But at this speed generally it works good. So we have a full setup over here. On the elevated road, our trucks are working. Here I can run 2 trains simultaneously. And one more thing I would like to tell you that this roadbed can be replaced with the tracks as well. So I can demonstrate elevated metro project as well over here. So what I need to do is I need to just remove these road beds and I need to put track assembly over here and I can run the train as well. I will make a separate video for that sometime later. So what I will do now, this locomotive will come and it will end up over here. I am turning sound on. So thanks for watching. This is all about my setup. I have did whatever I can do at this small space in foldable setup. Hope you like it. If there are any suggestions, comments, I am feel free to give it to me. Any feedbacks, I am very happy to improve myself. Thank you. Bye.